story to tell. During the Cold War, the great powers stepped up the arms race, and the mysterious submarines lurking under the water were quite a scary thing for the enemy. American submarines posed a clear threat to the Soviet Kiev-class aircraft carriers and Kirov-class battle cruisers. In response, the Soviet Union designed a class that could fight and destroy NATO submarines. Udaloy-class destroyer was born. It has a number of abilities that can give nightmares to enemy submarines. And to this day, the Udaloy-class is still active in the Russian Navy and is a formidable threat to the West. The Udaloy-class anti-submarine guided missile destroyers, Russian designations Project 1155 Fregat and Project 1155-1 Fregat-M. 12 ships were built between 1980 and 1991, while the 13th ship built to a modified design known as Udaloy II class followed in 1999. They complement the Sovremenny-class destroyers in anti-aircraft and anti-surface warfare operations. The ship has a full displacement of 7,570 tons, an overall length of 163 meters, a beam of 19.3 meters, and a draft of 6.2 meters. The ship's hull is made of steel, has an elongated forecaster, a large camber of frames in the bow, and a double bottom along its entire length. The internal premises of the hull are separated by refractory bulkheads. Non-combustible materials are widely used inside the ship. In the middle and aft part of the hull of the ship are three groups of superstructures. Aluminum-magnesium alloys are widely used. In the aft superstructure, there are two helicopter hangars. The ship is equipped with a combined gas and gas propulsion system, feeding two shafts, 4 gas turbines, providing total of 120,000 horsepower. The use of the combined gas and gas propulsion system allows the ship to have a smaller footprint and also better fuel efficiency at cruise speed than other propulsion systems. The ship can reach a maximum speed of 35 knots. The range can reach 10,500 nautical miles at 40 knots. The standard crew is 300 sailors. The Udaloy-class was based on the Fregat-class anti-submarine vessel, with its unevenly massive superstructure blocks and relatively low-profile maskworks. Right in front of the deck was two 100mm AK-100 gunships. The AK-100 is a Russian-built 100mm naval cannon with a maximum rate of fire of 60 rounds per minute, firing a 26.8 kilograms munition in high explosive fragmentation. The Udaloy-class is equipped with 8 SSN-14 anti-submarine missiles, which can be used against surface ships as well as anti-submarines. These missiles have an effective range of 5 to 50 kilometers and are located in two launchers on either side of the bridge. SAN-9 surface-to-air missiles are mounted in vertical launch systems to cope with aerial threats. It also carries 2 quad launchers for 553mm torpedoes, which can hit targets 15 to 20 kilometers away. RBU 6000 anti-submarine rockets are used for self-defense against torpedoes and frogmen, while being the last weapon to be fired at a submarine. The vessel was supplemented by 4 AK-6 30 closing weapon systems. The stern, on the other hand, can support 2 helicopters in 2 hangars, along with a helipad. Helicopters are essential for long-range sub-hunting, and the primary Soviet sub-hunting helicopter was the Ka-27. It is equipped with sonar buoys and tipping sonar to hunt for subs and medium torpedoes to kill them. The Udaloy-class is equipped with MR-760MA Fregat-MA 3D air search radar and MR-320M Topaz V surface search radar. In addition, the ship is also equipped with Horst Tail LF VDS sonar and Horst jaw bow mounted LF sonar. The fire control system includes 2 3P37 SAN11 SAM controller, carbon-borne SSM targeting. Electronic warfare and decoys includes Bell Squad Jammer, Bell Shroud Intercept, Bell Crown Intercept. This system includes decoy launchers, decoding missiles, control panels, and radars. It receives anti-ship missiles by distributing electronic and optical lures. The ship was fitted with 2 PK2 decoy RL. In 2020, it was suggested that a total of 8 Project 1155 vessels could be upgraded to the same standard, though work on the remaining 3 units could extend it beyond 2022. In addition to overhauling their radio-electronic warfare and life support systems, they will receive modern missile complexes to fire P-800 Onyx and Caliber cruise missiles. The ships are to have their service life extended by 30 years until sufficient numbers of Admiral Gorshkov-class frigates are commissioned. My video about the Udaloy-class destroyer ends here. Thank you for watching. If you find this video interesting, please give me your thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to support the channel. Goodbye and see you again in the next videos. Tạm biệt và hẹn gặp lại quý vị và các bạn trong các video tiếp theo.